Yes, the FBI is investigating State Assemblies. April 3, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. The FBI is always investigating everyone and everything but the bankers and security brokers who make all our lives so much bliss. I have not been contacted by the FBI and trust that I won't be. Why? Because I am not confused and not operating in their jurisdiction. Similarly, though they may poke around and try to infiltrate the American States Assembly groups as part of their usual nosing around, use your Bivens Declarations to identify them. Our state assemblies really are state organizations, not state-of-state organizations calling themselves states. And therein lies all the difference. As I have repeatedly told everyone, you can't sit on the fence and be on the sea and on the land and soil at the same time. You can't be a United States citizen or a citizen of the United States and also be an American state national or American state citizen. Their territorial and municipal laws allow U.S. citizens to maintain dual citizenship, but our state laws make no such provisions. Moreover, U.S. citizens of either stripe have no constitutional guarantee to assemble. From the U.S. government standpoint, having their citizens mucking around trying to form foreign state governments is literally insurrection, both insurrection against them and their government, and insurrection against our government that they are supposed to be protecting. It's the same Chinese knucklebuster situation that the Colorado Nine got involved in, crisscrossing jurisdictions. And so, for that reason, I separated myself again and separated our state assemblies from the MGJA operations and their version of state assemblies, too. We are proceeding lawfully in all respects, correcting and establishing our actual birthright political status, and operating our state assemblies as true and actual states of the Union populated by American state citizens and American state nationals. The American state assemblies and their people are receiving correct information and are operating lawfully and in their own jurisdiction. The other groups, Destry, Roger, et al., are either confused or purposefully defying the law. Either way, they aren't staying in their own lane. God knows I have done all I could to educate and warn them, just as I warned the Colorado Nine and other groups in the past as I saw them going off track. You can be sure that the American States Assembly as an organization helping to establish lawful state assembly groups is being properly instructed and cannot be accused of any form of terrorism. You can also be sure that the leadership and the aims of these organizations are proper, lawful, and peaceful. To keep it that way, every member must be properly instructed and kept on track. A few boneheads who don't understand where their power and duty lies, can, as the Michigan General Jural Assembly adequately demonstrates, ruin it for everyone. This is why we have to do this assembly process correctly, by the book, and the reason we have to be strict about requiring that everyone involved act exclusively in their birthright capacity as American state nationals and American state citizens. Finally, this is also why our organizations must be peaceable and orderly and not a harbor for malcontents and angry people seeking revenge. Our mission is to know the past, yes, but far more than that, to lead the way forward to a better world. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more of my article videos.